Selena, Class 10, Chapter 13, Section and Midpoint Formula. Sum number 18. The line segment joining the point M phi 7 and n minus 3 2 is intersected by the y-axis at point L. Write down the abscissa of L, x coordinate. Abscissa x coordinate is 0. Hence find the ratio in which L divides Mn. Also find the coordinates of L. Since point L lies on y-axis, its abscissa is 0. Let the coordinate of point L be 0y and let L divides Mn in the ratio k:1. Using section formula, x equal to k into minus 3 plus 1 into phi upon k plus 1. 0 equal to minus 3k plus phi upon k plus 1. Minus 3k plus phi equal to 0, k equal to phi upon 3. Thus, the required ratio is phi is to 3. Y equal to k into 2 plus 1 into 7 upon k plus 1 equal to phi into 3 into 2 phi upon 3 into 2 plus 7 upon phi upon 3 plus 1 equal to 10 plus 21 upon 5 plus 3. Y equal to 31 upon 8. Sum number 19. A 2 phi, B minus 1 2 and C phi 8 are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle ABC. Point P and Q lie on AB and AC respectively, such that AP is to PB equal to AQ is to QC equal to 1 is to 2. First part, calculate the coordinate of point P and Q. ABC coordinates of triangle P, AP is to PB 1 is to 2. AQ is to QC 1 is to 2. Therefore, coordinates of point P are 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5 upon 1 plus 2 equal to 3 by 3, 12 by 3 equal to 1, 4. Coordinates of P equal to 1, 4. Coordinates of Q are 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2. Y coordinate 1 into 8 plus 2 into 5 upon 1 plus 2 equal to 9 upon 3, 18 upon 3 equal to 3, 6. Coordinates of Q equal to 3, 6. Part 2. Show that PQ equal to 1 upon 3 BC. Using distance formula, we have BC equal to root of 5 plus 1 whole square plus 8 minus 2 the whole square equal to 36 plus 36 equal to 6 root 2. PQ equal to root of 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 6 minus 4 the whole square equal to root 4 plus 4 equal to 2 root 2. Hence, PQ equal to 1 upon 3 BC. Sum number 20. A minus 3 4, B 3 minus 1 and C minus 2 4 are the vertices of the triangle ABC. Find the length of line segment AP where P lies inside BC such that BP equal to PC equal to 2 is to 3. It has to be BP is to PC equal to 2 is to 3. Coordinates of P are 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 3 upon 2 plus 3. Y coordinate 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 3. P equal to minus 4 plus 9 upon 5, 8 minus 3 upon 5. 5 upon 5, 5 upon 5 equal to 1, 1. Using distance formula, we have AB equal to root of 1 plus 3 the whole square plus 1 minus 4 the whole square equal to 16 root 16 plus 9 root 25 equal to 5 units. AP equal to 5 units. Sum number 21. The line segment joining A 2, 3 and B 6 minus 5 is intercepted by x-axis at point K. Write down the ordinate of point K. Hence, find the ratio in which K divides AB. Also find the coordinates of point K. Since point K lies on x-axis, its ordinate is 0. Means y coordinate equal to 0. Let the point K x0 divides line AB in the ratio K is to 1. We have y equal to K into minus 5 plus 1 into 3 upon K plus 1. Y coordinate is 0 equal to minus 5K plus 3 upon K plus 1. K equal to 3 upon 5. Thus, K divides AB in the ratio 3 is to 5. Also, we have x equal to K into 6 plus 1 into 2 upon K plus 1. X equal to 3 upon 5 into K plus 2 upon 3 upon 5 plus 1 equal to 18 plus 10 upon 3 plus 5. 28 by 8 equal to 7 by 2, 1 upon 2. Thus, the coordinate of point K are 3, 1 upon 2, 0. Sum number 22. The line segment joining A 4, 7 and B minus 6 minus 2 is intercepted by y-axis at point K. Write down abscissa of point K. Hence, find the ratio in which K divides AB. Also find the coordinates of point K. Since point K lies on y-axis, abscissa equal to 0. Therefore, point K is 0, y. Divide the line segment into K is to, let point K divides AB in ratio K is to 1. We have x equal to K into minus 6 plus 1 into 4 upon K plus 1. 0, substitute the value, equal to 6K plus 4 upon K plus 1. K equal to 4 by 6 equal to 2 by 3. Thus, K divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. Also, we have y equal to K into minus 2 plus 1 into 7 upon K plus 1. Y equal to minus 2K plus 7 upon K plus 1 equal to minus 2 into 2 by 3 plus 7 upon 2 by 3 plus 1. Y equal to minus 4 plus 21 upon 2 plus 3 equal to 17 upon 5. Thus, the coordinates of point K are 0, 17 upon 5. Sum number 23. The line joining P minus 4, 5 and Q 3, 2 intersects the y-axis at point R. PM and QN are perpendicular from P and Q on the x-axis. Find first the ratio PR is to QR. Let point R is on y-axis, so x coordinate is 0. R0 y divides PQ in the ratio K is to 1. We have x equal to K into 3 plus 1 into minus 4 upon K plus 1. 0 equal to 3K minus 4 upon K plus 1. Cross multiply. 0 equal to 3K minus 4. K equal to 4 upon 3. Thus, PR is to RQ equal to 4 is to 3. Coordinates of R, also y coordinate equal to K into 2 plus 1 into 5 upon K plus 1 equal to 2K plus 5 upon K plus 1. Y equal to 2 into 4 upon 3 plus 5 upon 4 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 8 plus 15 upon 4 plus 3. Y equal to 23 upon 7. Thus, the coordinates of point R are 0, 23 upon 7. Third part, the area of the quadrilateral PMNQ equal to half into PM plus QN into MN. Half into 5 plus 2 into 7. Half into 7 plus 7 equal to 24.5 square units. Sum number 24. In the given figure, APB meet x-axis at point A, y-axis at point B. P is a point minus 4, 2 and AP is 1, PB is 1 is to 2. Find the coordinates of A and B. Given A lies on x-axis and B lies on y-axis, let the coordinate of A be x0, B 0y respectively. The given P is a point -4, 2 and AP is to PB equal to 1 is to 2. Using section formula, we have -4 equal to 1 into 0 plus 2 into x upon 1 plus 2. -4 equal to 2x upon 3. X equal to -4 into 3 upon 2 equal to -6. Also, y coordinate of point P2 equal to 1 into y plus 2 into 0 upon 1 plus 2. 2 equal to y upon 3. Y equal to 6. Thus, the coordinates of point A and B are -6, 0 and 0, 6 respectively. Sum number 25. Given a line segment AB joining the point A -4, 6, B 8, -3, find. First part, the ratio in which AB is divided by the y-axis. Let the required ratio be M1 is to M2. Consider A -4, 6 equal to x1, y1, B 8, -3 equal to x2, y2, and let P, x, y be the point of intersection of the line segment and at y-axis. By section formula, we have x coordinate equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. X equal to 8 m1 minus 4 m2 upon m1 plus m2. Y coordinate equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Y equal to minus 3 m1 plus 6 m2 upon m1 plus m2. The equation, it's on y-axis, x equal to 0. Therefore, 8 m1 minus 4 m2 upon m1 plus m2 of the y-axis, x equal to 0, x coordinate is 0. So 8 m1 minus 4 m2 upon m1 plus m2 equal to 0. Cross multiply. 8 m1 minus 4 m2 equal to 0. 8 m1 equal to 4 m2. m1 upon m2 equal to 4 upon 8 is equals to 1 is to 2. m1 is to m2 equal to 1 is to 2. Second part, find the coordinates of the point of intersection. m1 upon m2 equal to 1 is to 2. Implies m1 equal to k and m2 equal to 2k, where k is any constant. We have x coordinate equal to 8 m1 minus 4 m2 upon m1 plus m2. X equal to 8 into k minus 4 into 2k upon k plus 2k. X equal to 8k minus 8k upon 3k. X equal to 0. Y coordinate equal to minus 3m1 plus 6m2 upon m1 plus m2. Y equal to minus 3k plus 6 into 2k upon k plus 2k. Y equal to minus 3k plus 12k upon 3k equal to 9k upon 3k equal to 3. Thus, the point of intersection is P03. Third part, find length AB. AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to root of 8 plus 4 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 the whole square. 12 root of 12 square plus 9 square. Root of 144 plus 81. Root of 225 equal to 15 units. AB equal to 15 units. 26. If P minus B 9a minus 2 divides the line segment joining the point A minus 3, 3a plus 1 and B 5, 8a in the ratio 3:1, find the value of A and B. xy equal to x1 y1 equal to minus 3, 3 plus 3a plus 1. x2 y2 equal to 5, 8a. xy equal to minus b 9a minus 2. Here m1 equal to 3, m2 equal to 1. Coordinates of point P xy equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y1 plus m2 y2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. X coordinate is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y coordinate equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. X coordinate minus b equal to 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 3 upon 3 plus 1, and 9a minus 2 equal to 3 into 8a plus 1 into 3a plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Minus b equal to 15 minus 3 upon 4. Minus 4b equal to 12. b equal to minus 3. 9a minus 2 equal to 24a plus 3a plus 1 upon 4. Cross multiply. 36a minus 8 equal to 27a plus 1. 9a equal to 9. a equal to 1. b equal to minus 3.